Pizza for dinner.
Pizza for dinner.
What time do you need to wake up?
What time do you need to wake up?
Can you help me paint the wall?
Can you help me paint the wall?
Can you get the laundry basket?
Can you get the laundry basket?
Can you vacuum my room?
Can you vacuum my room?
Did you charge your phone?
Did you charge your phone?
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
Do you need more soap?
Do you need more soap?
Can you make your bed?
Can you make your bed?
Can you grab the mail?
Can you grab the mail?
Did you set the alarm?
Did you set the alarm? Let's plan our vacation.
Let's plan our vacation. Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
What did you learn at school today?
What did you learn at school today?
What would you like for breakfast?
What would you like for breakfast?
Turn off the lights before you leave.
Turn off the lights before you leave.
Can you please tidy up your room?
Can you please tidy up your room?
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Have a great day at school.
Have a great day at school.
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
It's time to take a shower.
It's time to take a shower.
Did you pack your lunch?
Did you pack your lunch?
Good night, sleep well.
Good night, sleep well.
It's time to go to bed.
It's time to go to bed.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Are you done with your chore?
Are you done with your chore?
It's too cold in here.
It's too cold in here.
Can you grab my jacket?
Can you grab my jacket?
Did you feed the dog?
Did you feed the dog?
I'm getting ready for bed.
I'm getting ready for bed.
I need to clean the kitchen.
I need to clean the kitchen.
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Close the door, please.
Close the door, please.
Can you open the window?
Can you open the window?
I'm almost done with my homework.
I'm almost done with my homework.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Where did you put my keys?
Where did you put my keys?
Can you help me fold the laundry?
Can you help me fold the laundry?
We'll leave in 5 minutes.
We'll leave in 5 minutes.
I'm going to the store. Do you need anything?
I'm going to the store. Do you need anything?
Please do your homework now.
Please do your homework now.
Can you pass me the sugar?
Can you pass me the sugar?
What's for dinner tonight?
What's for dinner tonight?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Don't leave your things on the floor.
Don't leave your things on the floor.
What time is dinner?
What time is dinner?
The Wi-Fi is not working.
The Wi-Fi is not working.
I'll meet you downstairs.
I'll meet you downstairs.
It's time to water the plants.
It's time to water the plants.
I'm almost finished cooking.
I'm almost finished cooking.
Can you bring me a towel?
Can you bring me a towel?
I'm going to call my friend.
I'm going to call my friend. Would you like to go outside?
Would you like to go outside?
Where's the remote control?
Where's the remote control?
I'll do the dishes later.
I'll do the dishes later.
Let's read a book before bed.
Let's read a book before bed.
I'm going to take a nap.
I'm going to take a nap.
I'm going to set the table.
I'm going to set the table.
Who's going to set the table?
Who's going to set the table?
Do you want to play a game?
Do you want to play a game?
The needs gas.
The needs gas.
I'll help you with that.
I'll help you with that.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
Is the food ready yet?
Is the food ready yet?
Did you miss your bus?
Did you miss your bus?
I missed my school bus.
I missed my school bus.
I just made it.
I just made it.
I love to play video games.
I love to play video games.
I apologize.
I apologize.
I feel sad for your loss.
I feel sad for your loss.
Let's celebrate.
Let's celebrate.
What do you like the most?
What do you like the most?
Do not disturb.
Do not disturb.
Try to open this door.
Try to open this door.
I don't want to know anything.
I don't want to know anything.
Drive carefully.
Drive carefully.
The sun rises from the east.
The sun rises from the east.
Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy.
Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy.
Are you fooling me?
Are you fooling me?
Oh, I am sorry. I have been a bit late.
Oh, I am sorry. I have been a bit late.
Just shut up for a minute.
Just shut up for a minute.
Will you now beat him to death?
Will you now beat him to death?
Where did you get it?
Where did you get it?
Speak what is true.
Speak what is true.
How long will you stay?
How long will you stay?
I'm hungry. Let's have a snack.
I'm hungry. Let's have a snack.
Just call me.
Just call me.
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Don't be silly.
Don't be silly.
Use your brain.
Use your brain.
I am in trouble.
I am in trouble.
Drop me home.
Drop me home.
You are impatient.
You are impatient.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
She is grateful.
She is grateful.
You are lazy.
You are lazy.
Keep distance.
Keep distance.
It is expensive.
It is expensive.
I am unhappy.
I am unhappy.
It's your fault.
It's your fault.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
I am outside.
I am outside.
Don't go out.
Don't go out.
Let it go.
Let it go.
How about you?
How about you?
Can we talk?
Can we talk?
Is that enough?
Is that enough?
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
Is it cold outside?
Is it cold outside?
I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Please call me.
Please call me.
Do you have a phone?
Do you have a phone?
I don't care.
I don't care.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I disagree with you.
I disagree with you.
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Can you give me directions?
Can you give me directions?
What time do we leave?
What time do we leave?
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.